Good morning. Today we will discuss about the standard formulation for the displacement. Yes. So first consider for this standard for displacement is for the fixed end condition. If we consider a beam with a two end fix, if there is a beam AB which has two end fix, and if we consider a deflection unit displacement at this position B position, if we consider B is seen by unit displacement 1 meter or 1 centimeter or 1 unit displacement, so our beam is deformed like this. Yeah? So this is a deformed shape. Yeah? So for this deformed shape we get a reactions for this deformation. Yeah? So if deflection is in downward direction so reaction is also in downward direction. So this reaction is in downward direction and this reaction is in upward direction. So value of this reaction due to unit displacement in downward direction is a 12 EI by L cube. Yes. So downward direction 12 EI by L cube. Similarly 12 EI by L cube. Simple deflection. Yes, if unit displacement at B is in downward direction, reaction at B is in downward direction and reaction in A is upward direction. Yes. Next is a movement. There are some movement also generated at A and B. Yes. So this reaction is in upward rotation, upward direction. So your movement is like this. Since is in downward motion or a downward movement. Yes. So this movement is a anti-clockwise direction movement, and same if this is an what your movement is like this, and value of this movement is a 6 EI by L square. 6 EI by L square. So this is a movement. So these are the forces developed in this fixed beam due to this unit displacement if we apply unit displacement. So this is required for the stiffness matrix. Yeah. So you have to remember this displacement as it is required at the time of the calculation of stiffness matrix. So this is our first formula. Second, in second case, consider a fixed beam. In last case we apply a unit displacement. In this case we apply unit rotation. If we apply a unit rotation in this B point, if we apply unit rotation at B point, this is your rotation. If this is a unit degree, so your beam is deformed like this. Yes. So this is a unit displacement, a unit rotation at B. So this, if we apply unit rotation at B, that moment is generated at this position. So we get a moment at this position. The position la we get a moment, and this moment is like this. So this nature is like this. So this rotation is 4 EI by L. At which place we apply a rotation, moment is 4 EI by L. And another rate, as we know, this moment is a carryover for the next state. So next state is a A. So towards A, it goes a half moment. So half moment is this rotation, same rotation, half moment 4 EI by L, half is a 2 EI by L. So this is your moment. Next is a reaction. So in this reaction is, if this moment is downward, your reaction is upward, and if this moment is upward, reaction is downward. So this is the reaction. So this reaction, for this reaction reactions are 6 EI by L square. 6 EI by L square. So this is the standard equations, standard formulae. So these two formulas must be remembered for the calculation of the stiffness matrix. So we can apply this unit displacement or unit rotation at any position. We can apply it at A, we can apply it at point other point C. In frame also we can apply this unit direction, but concept, standard basic concept is this much. So if you remember this much, you can solve any stiffness matrix problem. Yes.